Hi, I'm Zoe from Liverpool, and today we are going to be talking about Halloween. Over 50% of people in the UK participate in Halloween 2023 and they come from all ages. So I prepared some Halloween themed items to give you some different ideas and show you how to transform the holiday into profit. We will start with mugs and tumblers. For Halloween parties, personalized heat transfer mugs and tumblers can be used as fun tableware or given as party favors. Drawstring bags. This would be great for trick-or-treat and this kind of a Halloween carrying tote. We have bags of various sizes and shapes for other storage needs. And we have rock slates, unique home decor. You can do spooky elements like witches, tombstones, and black cats. Perfect for adding a festive touch to any room. Metal tin and LED lantern lights. You can store the candies collected during the trick-or-treating or use them as festive gift boxes filled with trees and small presents. And these metal tins and lantern lights can also double as decorative items. Place around the house to enhance the Halloween vibe. Please remember all of these products are so easy to bundle. You can sell multiple items to the same customers and just really utilize selling as many units as you can and push in those profits. For more products and services, be sure to check our website. Thanks for watching and see you next time!